Hey, junior firefighters, would you guys like to hear a story? What about you, Freddy?
I'd love to hear a story. What's it about?
Well, I've got a book here about firefighters, and it's by Norma Simon, and it's a great book, and I'd love to read it to you.
I'd love to hear about the firefighters.
Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and get started here, okay?
Yeah,
This is
I'm ready.
Alrighty, you ready, Freddy? Okay, here we go. So, what you do at the fire department, okay, when the fire bell rings, firefighters stop whatever they are doing. Slide down the fire pole, one after the other. Pull on heavy pants, and they pull on heavy boots. Into the coats, on with the hats, and up on the trucks they go. See, here's some pictures right here. Open the firehouse doors, start the engines, and they're off. There's the fire trucks right there taking off. Cars hear the sirens, wailing, wailing. That's very good, Freddy. Good job. Pull to the side of the road and stop. Let the fire trucks roar by. Firefighters, hard work. Fighting fires is what they do. Turn on the hoses. Whoosh, whoosh. Up shoots the water. Up go the ladders. Up go the firefighters. Look at that, Freddy.
Wow.
Isn't that awesome?
They must be very brave.
They are brave. Firefighters wear masks to help them breathe through the smoke. They search upstairs and downstairs, and they get everyone out. After the firefighters put out the fire, with everyone safe and warm and sound, their hard work is done. Time to look around. Time to ask questions. How did the fire start to burn? Firefighters search all around the fire, poking, checking to answer their questions. Then, Freddy, they pack up the ladders and the tools. Up go the hoses into the trucks, like yours right here. They drive back slowly, no sirens now.
Nice and slow.
Down from the trucks come the tired firefighters. Pants and coats go up on hooks. Boots stand in a straight row. Hats sit on a long hat shelf. Everything back in its place. It's time to rest. Firefighters eat in the firehouse kitchen. See, look at there.
They're all eating together.
Yep, that's a good part of being a firefighter. Then it's time to wash the fire trucks and wind up the hoses. Time
I
to,
like being washed. It's nice being all clean and shiny.
yep, time to clean the breathing masks and check every tank. You have stuff, you got water in here?
A little bit.
Okay. Well, you make everything ready for the next fire. There are always firefighters in the firehouse, night or day, ready to go when the fire bell rings. Open the firehouse doors, start the engines. They're on their way. Good job. You like that, Freddy?
That was a great story. I love hearing what the firefighters do.
Yep. Well, I hope you like that. It was a great book, and I'm glad to share it with you. I appreciate it.
Thanks. I hope all our junior firefighters out there liked it.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much, all you junior firefighters. Keep it up.